Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, today's video, this is going to be a beginner's guide for swing trading. So if you're just getting started with swing trading, or even if you're a full-time trader and you're just learning, and you're wanting to learn more, this is going to be a great guide and great strategies that I used and that I've been using for over 6 years. Now, for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Carter. I've been a full-time trader for 6 years in the stock market, and we do have very exciting news. We have a brand new swing trading school where I teach people my strategies, my mindset, how I find stock and opportunity, and super exciting. You guys can use code GIVE, all caps, GIVE, to get $50 off. And the great thing about that code is you will be entered in for a fantastic merch giveaway ranging from hats, from desktops, from a variety of things. So make sure you guys check it out, but let's just jump into this here. So in simple terms, what is swing trading? So swing trading is when you buy a stock, you hold it for more than a day, but less than 1 year. Now, when you buy and sell a stock, during the same trading day, that's a day trade. It's a different strategy, mindset. Now, when you buy a position and you hold it for more than a year, that's a long-term investment. Now, on average, I do hold my swing trades near and around 6 to 9 days. There will be times where I buy it today and sell it tomorrow, or there will be times where I buy it today and hold it for a couple months out. It all depends on the approach and the stock in the strategy that I'm using. So this is by far the most basic strategy that I highly recommend. This is literally my bread and butter. This is what I probably trade 90% of my trades on. So the strategy it's very simple. It's looking for a stock with some sort of upward trend. And you guys can notice here we have ticker symbol NXE, which has had this great upward trend. So you always hear buy low, sell high, but how can you buy low? So one of the indicators that I use here is the moving average lines. So these moving average lines, the great thing about them is when the stock is above it, they act as support and resistance. So what we do here is we find a stock on some sort of upward trend that have sold off down to some level of support here. So this was a recent swing trade that I did for about 14% profit here. So let me actually go ahead and show you how I did it here. So what we did is we hopped in near and around that 90-day moving average line. Now, when we did this, you always have to go into your stock with some sort of plan. You never want to go in blind. That's another reason why people lose money from trading is they don't have a strategy. They just go in buying random stocks. So this is what I did is I hopped in near and around let's go right here. Near and around the 683 mark. I set my stop loss near and around the 650. So we're risking about $1 to make $4.91, almost $5. Now, the great thing about this strategy and this approach here is very simple, is I could be wrong, 3-4 times with these types of positions, but still make money in the long run as long as my risk and reward is correct. So the next thing that I had to draw out after I did that is find the resistance. So you guys can see that we've seen a tendency of getting selling pressure pretty much anything above this 789 mark. You guys can see it hits it once, hits it twice, and we just got that natural tendency of getting sell off here. So what we did is we hopped in here, set our profit here and our stop loss here. So now as the stock traded, boom, you guys can even see it dipped here, but we had this great move, consolidated, and then pushed up even higher to that resistance, taking profit near and around 14%. So this is the thing, finding these opportunities. This is probably the easiest strategy I would highly recommend, whether you're ranging from beginners, intermediate, or a full-time trader. Another indicator why we had so much success here is because of the RSI, which is the relative strength index, determining if a stock's overbought or pretty much overvalued, undervalued in simple terms. So it was trading for near around a 24. Let's zoom out and find the last time it was trading for a 24. Was all the way back in here, right, where we had these great amount of buying pressure there. So we understood that the stock was very undervalued. You guys can even see right in here where we had some moves, even in here we had some moves. So we understood it was a very good opportunity to start that process of investing. But overall, guys, this is a very, very easy strategy that you guys can use. Now, if you guys want to learn how to find these opportunities, highly recommend checking out my course where we talk about the scanners and strategies and how I find these plays. And the broker we use is Moomoo. So this is all my charting on here. I'll put a link to that down below as well, so you guys can sign up and get like 15 free stock for signing up. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe, and we will see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.